Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot Properties Tutorial Episode 2. In this video, I will show you on how to fetch the properties that has been configured on application.properties file in your project. First of all, I will explain you some of the popular ways to fetch the properties from application.properties file. The first way is to fetch the properties using @value annotation. This annotation is under the Spring Framework.beans.factory.annotation package. The syntax will be @value annotation and inside its bracket, the property name will be specified in string format. The property name is prefixed by $symbol. And it is enclosed by curly bracket. The second way is to fetch the properties using Spring's environment bean. We just need to auto-wire this bean, and then access the method getProperty to fetch the property from the application.properties file. The other way is to use @configuration properties annotation. In this video, we will see how to fetch the properties using @value annotation. Let's move on. The main application class contains Spring Boot application annotation, which is used to start the project as Spring Boot application. Now open the application.properties file. We can give any property name we want. Let me give the property name as app.test.text.value. And the value of this property will be hello-world. Now, save the changes. Now, create a class named Property Service. Inside the class, define a method which is named as getPropertiesValue. Inside the method, write a print statement and put some description in it. Now, in the class level, above the method definition, import the value annotation from Spring Framework package. After the value annotation is imported, specify the property name inside it, which is prefixed with $, and enclosed by curly braces. For the specified property, declare a field which is named as app_text of string data type. Now, the property has been declared in the class. The property name is same as specified in the application.properties file. Now, add the field app_text inside the print statement. And most importantly, make sure that the class is annotated with @component or any related bean annotation like service, repository annotation. Now, create a class named Properties Controller. Annotate it with required annotations like @REST-controller. This annotation specifies that the class is a controller. Then, specify the request mapping annotation, which will contain the URI. Then, auto-wire the class property service. Define a REST API method named getPropertiesValue that has getMapping annotation. This getMapping annotation is used to make the method to accept getHTTP method API calls. Now, inside the method, call the getPropertiesValue method using the property service bean. Hence, whenever this API is called, the service method gets invoked, and the property is printed onto the console. Now, let us start the application, and we will verify the output. Now, the application has been started with default port number 8080. We will now call the API method with the specified URI using postman. As you know, the application runs in local, hence we have specified as localhost. Upon executing the API, we will get 200 OK success response soon. Now, let us verify the print statement in the Eclipse console. As expected, the property has been fetched correctly, and it is printed in the console. Thus, in this video, we have seen how to fetch the property from application.property file using @value annotation. In the next video, we will see how to fetch the property using Spring's environment bean. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.